Well, hey fam, it's the Southern girl, SHONDA, and I am super excited to be taking part in this extraordinary extravaganza to kick spring off with an outdoor living space lookbook. This collab is being hosted by Cathryn Holt of Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, and I got my invite from my girl Bree of BRE'S Project Book. These beautiful women, along with a host of lovely ladies, are happy to show you how we decorate for spring. So let me share with you how to do some easy and elegant entryway decor that we can do today. My front porch was suffering from some wintertime blues. This collaboration came at the perfect time to create an easy, elegant, and inviting entryway. And everything starts with a good cleanup. Just by adding some plants can make a huge difference. Yeah, this is so much better, but let's finish with some inviting details. Oh, how I love decorating with mirrors. I hope you enjoyed my outdoor space lookbook for some easy and elegant entryway decor. If you're new to my channel, welcome! You can become part of my family by subscribing today. We can also connect on Instagram and Facebook. And to my existing fam, many hugs and love to you. I'm sending a big thank you to the Dream Team. My girl Bree of BRE'S Project Book for the invite, and to the lovely Cathryn Holt of Amateur Decorating Like a Pro for hosting this event. Make sure to check out all the lovely ladies that participated in today's event for some awesome inspiration. So you have to watch the entire playlist. Thank you all for your continued support. And until the next video.